again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me here in our showroom today. We have a great selection of Starcraft, SunChasers, Qwest and Pleasure Isle boats in stock, ready to go. The weather's warming up. We're getting our first few deliveries out this year, and we are ready to get everyone on the water. With that said, we're introducing our Splash into Summer promo, which will be going now through May 31st of this year. We're going to be offering up to $4,500 off of tritoons and up to $2,000 off pontoons made by Starcraft, SunChaser, Qwest, Pleasure Isle, and these are going to be powered by Yamaha and Suzuki outboards. So really high quality, reliable products. We also have a couple of 2023 boats that are clearance price that are ready to go as well, a really nice value also. Finally, we have a rental boat closeout. So if you're looking for a boat that, maybe been used a little bit, but still in great shape with factory warranty, our rental boat program where you can purchase one of those is a really, really strong option that we could show you some boats we have remaining. It's just not the great value price point wise that we're selling here at Charles Mill Marina. It's full experience. So with every boat we sell, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, on water lesson, a full safety package, and a mooring cover is always included. If you think this might be a program for you, you want to get a little more information, our website is packed with boats where you can check out any boats. We have walkthrough videos, lots of photos of those boats to check out. And then if you see boats that interest you, or if you want to give us a call or text us, our number is 419-368-5951. We're open 7 days a week, and we're ready to get you on the water.